Is Details tab missing in the Properties window in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. The Details tab for a file is handy when you want to find important info such as file zip, type, modified data, etc. However, sometimes Windows may not display the Details tab when you go to a file's properties. As a result, you cannot get to see these extra details. This video will show you what you need to do if the Details tab is missing in the Properties window of a file in Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Modify registry. Before you modify the registry, you should take a backup of your registry settings before making any changes. Once ready, follow these steps. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run. Type regedit and press Enter. Navigate to this path. Now on the left pane, ensure that a subkey named exists. If it doesn't exist, right-click on PropertySheetHandlers and select New, then Key. Name it as this. Once done, reboot your PC and check whether the Missing Details tab appears. Method 2. Run DISM and SFC. There is also a good chance that some system files are corrupted or missing. As a result, you are not getting the Details tab under File Properties. However, this can easily be fixed by running DISM and SFC scans. Here is how to do so. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. To do that, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator option. Type this in the elevated Command Prompt window. Windows will scan and repair corrupted system files. Once complete, restart your PC and check if the hard drive is recognized. After the SFC scan is complete, run the DISM scan. This fixes deeper Windows component corruption that diagnostics depend on. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run these commands one at a time. Wait for each command to complete. Restart your PC once done. Method 3. System Restore. If you have created a system restore point at a point in time, you can use it to fix the computer. You can revert your computer state to the previous time you created the system restore through System Restore. So if the issue has appeared recently, it can fix it. Here is how to do that. Type Control Panel in the Windows search menu and choose the top option. Select the recovery option as shown below. From the next options, choose Open System Restore and click on the Next button. Choose a preferred restore point and click Next. Finish the process by clicking on the Finish button. Method 4. Create a new user account. There is a high chance that your account got corrupted, causing the Missing Details tab issue. To fix this, you can create a new user account on your Windows computer and see if it solves the problem. To do this, follow these steps. Press Windows key plus I to go to Settings, navigate to Accounts, then Other Users. Click on Add Account. Next, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account and create a new local user. Next, fill in all the details like username and password and click Next. Finally, from Accounts, then Other Users, click on Change Account Type and then switch to your newly created account. Once you have logged into your account, right-click a file and check whether you see the Missing Details tab. If so, you can move your data and settings from your old account to your new user account. The above steps should help you fix the Details tab missing in the Properties window on a Windows PC. Before making any change to the registry settings or performing a full restore, take proper backup to avoid any mess later. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.